Grammarly AI. How many times have you sent an email, only to realize later there was a spelling mistake or a tone that sounded off? Those little slip-ups can cost you credibility or even opportunities. That's where Grammarly steps in. It's more than just a spell checker. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant trusted by millions in 2025. It works in real time to catch grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors before you hit send, but goes far beyond basic corrections. Its tone detection feature analyzes how your words will sound to your reader, whether you need to be formal for a report, confident for a proposal, or casual for a friendly message. One standout feature is Grammarly Go, the built-in generative AI. Need to write a professional email fast or rework a paragraph that sounds awkward? Grammarly Go can generate drafts, suggest rewrites, and refine content to match your exact style. It even provides whole sentence rewrites to improve clarity and flow, making your writing concise and easy to read. Grammarly also helps expand your vocabulary by suggesting synonyms and refined phrases, improving engagement and readability. For professionals, students, and content creators, the plagiarism checker ensures your work is original, ideal for academic papers, blog posts, or business documents. What's even better is its multi-platform integration. Grammarly works on Google Docs, Microsoft Word, Gmail, social media platforms, and even mobile apps. Whether you're writing an essay, creating content, or sending an important email, it's always there to support you. With a free plan for basic corrections and premium options starting around $12 per month, Grammarly is accessible for everyone. Teams and businesses can also use the enterprise plan for collaboration and security features. Call to action. Stop second-guessing your writing. Install Grammarly today and make every word count, because your words represent you.